Welcome to the audio series for Triquetre Piano Programme Level 5 Musicianship Skills. You can download this worksheet from www.musicacademyhub.com, or you will have received a worksheet from your Triquetre approved tutor. This audio file is for the worksheet TQP L5 M9. Add an interval. There are dice faces on the worksheet, some of which are already completed. Add the dots to the open dice face, which match the interval that you hear. All the intervals on today's worksheet will be melodic intervals. Complete the equation by adding the number that totals the two dice faces on the line. The intervals used today will be the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and a sixth. Listen carefully, and if you need to, pause the audio file and rewind to enable yourself to hear the correct answer. Interval number 1. Interval number 2. Interval number 3. Interval number 4. Interval number 5. Interval number 6. Interval number 7, interval number 8, interval number 9, and interval number 10. Pause the audio file anywhere and rewind it to listen a second time. You have reached the end of the audio file to go with TQP L5 M9. Please complete the worksheet and send it to your tutor. If you would like your answers to be verified by a Triquetre approved tutor, please send to info@Stalybridge Music Academy, marking the subject line with the worksheet number TQP L5 M9. You have reached the end of this audio file.